Hey, this is Tommy Alderman with ADSi Public Safety Software. Is it difficult for you in your current record system to locate tidbits of information? We thought so. That's why we developed the DataForce Search Box, which is really a global search engine inside of our records management system that will find anything in your system no matter where it's at, even in the body of a report. And check this out, it's always available. No matter where you are in our system, no matter which page you find yourself on, if you look right up in the left-hand corner, there it is. It says DataForce Search. You type anything into that box and it'll find it if it's in there. Let me demonstrate. So you find yourself on the main menu of the DataForce Records Management System, and let's say that you've been working a series of burglaries, and the only solid piece of evidence you've gotten from anybody is that the perpetrator seems to be in a white truck. Under normal circumstances, what can you do with the words white truck? Not much. But in the DataForce Web LE Records Management System, you can type the words white truck right here in the DataForce Search Box. So let's do that now. Let's type the words white truck. You can see that this is not the first time I've typed those words in there. Wanted to make sure I had some responses. Going to hit enter, and this is checking approximately 50,000 incident reports, and you see how quickly it did that. And you can see up under the top left there that it was searching for the words white truck across all systems, and it found 1,625 occurrences showing the first 10. Kind of works like Google. It brings you back the first 10 results. I can scroll down. I've got it kind of zoomed in to make it easier for you to see. But you can see that the first 10 results are here, and you can click the next 10 to get the next 10 results. It's still building a results list behind this first 10. But if you'll notice, each one of these responses that came back is hyperlinked. It'll take you right into the report where it's found. Here's one, the very second one, describes it's a DWI report or a DUI, depending on which state you're living in, and it involved a white Chevrolet pickup truck with a Tennessee license plate. So let's say, hey, somebody seemed to think this was a Tennessee truck, so we can click on that report number. It takes us right into the report. Let me unzoom this a little bit so you can see the whole picture, and we can study about we can see about the offenses listed in this report. Over on the right side of the screen under the case summary, there's a listing of offenses: driving under the influence, reckless driving, so forth and so on. I can see any persons associated with this truck. Apparently here's a gentleman down here. You can click on him, and when his results come up, I can learn a little bit more about him. I could check his relationships, vehicle, property, narrative. But this catches my attention right up here in the upper left. Warning, active warrant found. So that's just an example of one way that the powerful DataForce Search Box can help you find information that basically there's no other way to get to.
And you probably already figured this out, but vehicle descriptions are not the only thing you can put in that box. If you've been hearing reports of some guy named Moondog terrorizing the neighborhood, type Moondog into that box and you can find out if your department has ever dealt with anybody by that name. You can put numbers, phone numbers, license plates, partial license plates, names, descriptive terms, anything you think of it, put it in that box. And if it's in your system, we'll find it, even in the body of a narrative. I hope you found this informative. If you'd like more information about this feature or any of our software programs, send us an email to video@e9.com. Of course, you can find us on our Facebook page, or you can go to our website. We hope to hear from you soon.